Waste Corp water trailers are engineered with high-quality, heavy-duty components and are designed to be easy to use. Let's begin with the basics to get an understanding of how your water trailer operates. Your water trailer is mounted on a galvanized trailer for corrosion protection and includes a diamond plate deck. Your system includes LED lights, hose bin, suction and discharge hoses, high-pressure water delivery system, and brass valves. This diagram shows how water flows through the valves and pump. You can see that when discharging the pump, the upper valve is used. When filling the tank from a reservoir, pond, or fire hydrant, the lower valve is used. Remember that the dust cap should be removed when using the valve and secured back into place when not in service. Use caution when removing the dust caps, as trace amounts of water will flow out from either the suction or discharge valve when opened. Filling your water trailer tank depends on where your water source is coming from. You can use a suction hose and the pump to fill the tank with the lower valve, or you can fill through the top access hatch at the top of your tank when using a fire hydrant. You can also use a garden hose to fill the tank through the front loading port or the access hatch. Just remember to secure the lid of the access hatch when finished working in the area. Pumping into the water trailer tank through the lower valve is the quickest way to fill your tank. First, remove the dust cap and pins from the valve and set them on the deck. You can now connect the non-collapsible hose to the valve. Remember to place the pins into the coupling for a secure seal. Next, set the main tank valve to the 9 o'clock position. Set the suction valve to the 9 o'clock position and set the discharge valve to the 12 o'clock position. You are now ready to pump into the tank from a pond, reservoir, or fire hydrant. To discharge your water trailer tank or use the non-collapsible hose for water delivery, the top valve is what delivers water to the hose. First, remove the dust cap and 2 pins on the top suction valve. Place them on the deck. Next, connect the hose to the discharge valve and secure the cam locks and the pins. The main tank valve should be in the 6 o'clock position, the lower suction valve should be in the 12 o'clock position, and the upper discharge valve should be in the 9 o'clock position. Start your engine and you are ready to discharge from the tank. Be sure to use 2 hands when handling the hose, as the discharge pressure is powerful. The discharge nozzle can be adjusted to constant flow, spray pattern, or the off position. To use your retractable hose reel, and garden spray nozzle, set the main tank valve to the 6 o'clock position. Set the lower suction valve to the 12 o'clock position. Set the upper suction valve to the 9 o'clock position, and set the hose reel valve on the pump to the 9 o'clock position. Start the engine and wait a few moments as the pump primes. Begin spraying. To use your rear spray bar, set the main tank valve to the 6 o'clock position. Set the lower suction valve to the 12 o'clock position. Set the upper discharge valve to the 9 o'clock position, and set the rear sprayer valve on the pump to the 3 o'clock position. Start the engine. Wait a few moments for the pump to prime and your rear sprayers will begin working. For more information on how to use Waste Corp water trailer products, contact technical support at 1-888-829-2783 or visit us at wastecorp.com.